How to create a pot on the Monese app. If you'd like to create a pot on the Monese app, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Monese app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Once you go ahead and select this, you want to make sure to log into your account, right? After you log in, from the bottom right you'll find a section where it says explore, so you simply have to go to that explore option there. Once you go to the explore option, on the next page under savings you'll find an option called pots, so you can just tap on the pots option there, and here it will ask you to create a new pot. So you can select that, fill out all the instructions that it requires based on the pot that you're trying to create, and your pot will be created on the Monese app. This way you'll be able to create a pot on the Monese app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.